Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we are going to be making face masks for your doll. So Mary Ellen here is here to help me out to show you and demonstrate what your doll face mask will look like. So if you would like to make one of these at home, what you will need is a 2.5 by 5 inch piece of fabric. As you can see, I have the computer up over here with my instructions because I needed to make sure I got my measurements right. So 2.5 by 5 inch piece of fabric, 3 hair ties, scissors, a needle, and thread. So if you get a make and take it from the library, you will get a needle, thread, the right size piece of fabric, or close to the right size piece of fabric, because you know how Miss Christy measures, and 3 stretchy hair ties. So these are just dollar store hair ties. They are stretchy elastics in different colors. So what you do to make this, and you will see this in the time-lapse video, you will cut out your piece of fabric or take your piece of fabric if you got a make and take kit, and then you will just sew a hair tie to either side of the fabric, which would be like the ear loops like we have for ours, even though your doll, she has ears, but she doesn't really have ears that you can hook anything onto. So 2 ear loops, and then to get it over her head, you cut one of the elastics in half and you tie it to either ear loop, and then you can slide it right over her head. So one thing that I did notice when I did it, let's see, I'm going to take it off of her. Actually, no, I'm not. So I had the two, so the pink and the purple are the two that I did for the ear, and the blue one is the one that I did to stretch it over her head. When I tied it shut with the blue one, it was way too loose. Like, it fit over her head, but once it got over her head, it was just way too loose. So I untied it and I just made it tighter. So that's one kind of the nice thing about doing it with the hair ties and with the elastic, is that you can adjust it if necessary. And so I made it tighter. If you don't want it to go, like, you know, under her ponytail, it actually fit really good when it was over top of her ponytail, but her hair is nice and pretty, and we want to leave it like that. So that is all that this takes. You can also customize this if you want. Remember, we learned embroidery a little while ago, so you could embroider her name on her mask, or you could, you know, fold the sides in, or fold, like, you know, part of it down and around and sew up extra, but this is just the super basic way to do it. So that is American Girl Afternoon for today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make face masks for your doll, and we can't wait to see you back here at the library soon. Have a great day.